Hi guys, this is Sylvia. Welcome to my Spinkly channel. Thank you for clicking and stopping by my channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and put on the notification so then you'll know what's up. Today we're gonna be creating this pattern, the pattern that you saw at the beginning, and I'm gonna slow it down a little bit so then you can watch what I'm doing and follow through if you're interested in creating your own pattern. And yeah, just follow along, listen to the music, relax and enjoy. Congratulations if you've come this far. You're gonna get a gift, and that is this recreation background that I've created. Go on my website www.spinklycreations.com. I've linked it down on the description. You can download 3 different colors of this background, and guess what, it's free. So stop by my website, register, get a background.